Hello, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today I'm going to show you how to make tinctures. We recently discontinued selling tinctures on our website, so I'm going to show you how to make them. Let's get started. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make tinctures the Essential Wholesale way. We have discontinued selling tinctures on our website, but you can still make them at home. They're actually very easy to make. So the first thing you'll need is a nice, good organic vodka, at least 80 proof. 80 proof is actually perfect. That's exactly what you want. We found this lovely ocean organic vodka in this beautiful bottle that we decided to use for our demonstration. You'll also need your dry herbs. This is very important. They must be dry. If there is any moisture in this, the extraction doesn't work quite the same. So I've taken about a pound or 2 cups of the organic vodka, and now I'm simply going to add my dry herb. Okay, so you just want to go ahead and give that a good mix. And at this point right now, it's all room temperature. What you want to do next to make this the essential way is you take this lovely mixture you just made and you want to put it someplace nice and warm, at least 90 degrees or warmer. Ideally, you can keep it at about 110 degrees. And you want to keep it that way for 7 days to really extract all of that great material. I chose to use rooibos for this extraction. Again, choose whichever material you like, as long as it's a dry plant material, and leave it for 7 days at 90 to 110 degrees. And you simply strain it out. And once you're finished, you end up with a lovely tincture that looks like this. You want to be sure that you strain out all of your plant material. You may be wondering, do I need a preservative? Absolutely not. Alcohol is enough of a preservative. Even the 80 proof is just fine. And it's also why you want to use dry plant material to make sure that you aren't adding additional water into your product and corrupting the preservation. So we hope that you enjoy this video and that you are happy making your own tinctures. It's actually really quite fun. And please be sure to click on the More button below the video for the recipe for this tincture. And be sure to subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for joining us.